How to transfer NOTCOIN from Ton wallet to Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go about this one. So the first step is to open your Ton wallet or your Ton Keeper wallet and make sure you have some Ton coins. If you don't have any Ton coins, I'm assuming maybe you have USDT coins. Just come and tap on USDT, then come and tap on swap. Then swap your USDT coins into the NOTCOINs. Okay, so the swap interface will load up like this. So when the swap interface loads up like this, you're swapping from USDT and you're swapping to NOTCOIN. So change this from Ton to NOTCOIN. You can come and search for NOTCOIN over here. Okay, so make sure you search for it and it's over here. So when you find NOTCOIN, just click on it like that, then enter the amount and then swap. So for swapping, just come and copy the address right away. I'm assuming this is the address over here. So you copy it. So after copying it, just head over to your Binance application like this. So you head over to your Binance application. I'm assuming you've copied your NOTCOIN address. Okay, just head over to wallet over here and then head over to spot and then head over to withdraw there. When you head over to withdraw, just come and search for NOT over there. When you search for NOT, tap on NOT, then send via crypto network. So what you're going to do is simple. Just come and paste the address here and then input the amount of NOTCOIN you're having and then click on the withdraw button here and you'll be able to withdraw your NOTCOIN from Ton wallet to Binance. So that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.